Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to export a screenshot in Adobe After Effects. If you are ever struggle to capture or steal the image from your composition, this is the guide for you. Playhead to exactly the frame you want to export. Screenshot the frame for one step more, then capture. Go to composition, save frame as the file, and below there is Photoshop. On click mouse, right click, then format. You can change over here PNG or JPG. Then output. You can click the right click mouse. Then as you want to save this file, save. Then render. Hits the render. It takes a few seconds for render. Now it's finished the render. Now you can check the video picture clips where you save files. This is the picture we saved. And that's it. A very simple process that works. I hope this tutorial helps you to capture the exact frame you need from After Effects. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more motion, graphic and post-production tips. See you next time.